Picky Nikki by Kathy E. Dubosky and Mark Dubosky. Hopefully I said the author's name right. If I didn't, help me out and I'll get it right.
Yep, you did.
Mommy and Daddy says, "Supper is ready." Picky Nikki says, "I want spaghetti." Mommy says, "No spaghetti. We're having peas and carrots." Picky Nikki says, "I would rather eat bees and parrots than peas and carrots."
Sorry. Let me fix it.
Dad says, "We are also having grapes and pears." Picky Nikki says, "I would rather eat gorilla and bears than grapes and pears." Picky Nikki says, "Freddie always have spaghetti." Dad says, "Then go eat at Freddy's." So Picky Nikki goes to Freddy's house. She goes to the door. She rings the bell. "What's for supper?" she says. "It's spaghetti," says Freddy. "Get a plate."
Get a plate.
Freddy moms bring the spaghetti. Then she says, "We are also having peas, carrots, grapes, and pears. Pass your plate."
I'm making the house, Mama.
Okay, you have to show me when you're done, okay? "Oh, no," Picky Nikki thinks. "I would rather eat bees, parrots, gorillas, and bears than peas, carrots, grapes, and pears. What will she do?"
Nicky, 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 Nicky.
Picky Nikki.
Nicky. I'm not supposed to say Nicky.
I know. Picky Nikki takes a spoon of peas, a spoon of carrots, some grapes, and a little bit of pear. She hides them under her spaghetti. Soon her plate is clean. Where are the peas, carrots, grapes, and pear? Wow! Picky Nikki ate them. The next night, Picky Nikki says, "I would eat anything if I hide it in spaghetti." Dad says, "Even peas, carrots, grapes, and pears, even ice cream?" Picky Nikki says, "No, I will have my ice cream all by itself." The end. This book is about Nicky and spaghetti. The Tooth Book by Dr. Seuss. Who has teeth? Well, look around and you'll find out who. You'll find that red-headed uncles do.
Look at my pillow.
Policemen do, and zebras too, and unicycle riders do,
like Olivia do,
and camels and their drivers do. Even little girls named Ruthie all have teeth. All Ruths are toothy.
That's sister Ruthie.
Teeth! You'll find them everywhere. On mountaintops, in the air.
But not
And if you care to poke around, you'll find them underground.
I don't, cause they're not underground, and they're not in the air, they're not anywhere on the ground or on the air. Just like a container when I get loose.
Who has teeth? Well, look around and you'll find out who. You'll find that red-headed uncles do. Policemen do, and zebras too, and unicycle riders do,
Like them.
and camels and their drivers do. Even little girls named Ruthie all have teeth. All Ruths are toothy. Teeth, you find them everywhere. On mountaintops, and in the air. And if you care to poke around, you'll even find them underground. You'll find them east, west, north, and south. You'll find them in a lion's mouth. Teeth, they're very much in style. They must be very much worthwhile. They come in handy when you chew, says Mr. Donald Driscoll Drew. That's why my family grew a few. They come in handy when you smile, says Smiling Sam, the crocodile. They come in handy in my job, says Trapeze Mike Macabre. If I should ever lose a tooth, I'll lose my wife, and that's the truth.
That's his wife.
Teeth come in handy when you speak, says broadcaster Quincy Queek. Without my teeth, I'll talk like a duck and only broadcast quacks and clucks.
Schaut doch mal vorbei. Ansonsten, wenn es euch gefallen hat, würde ich mich riesig freuen, wenn ihr mir einen Daumen nach oben gebt. Schaut doch mal auf meiner Facebook-Page vorbei und wie immer gilt, haut mir eure Fragen in die Comments. Ich versuche, sofern das geht,
You're lucky that you have your teeth, says a sad snail named Simon Sneed. I don't have one. I can never smile like Smiling Sam the crocodile.
That's better? Okay.
Clams have no teeth, says Pam the clam. I cannot eat hot dogs or ham. No teeth at all, says Pam the clam. I cannot eat roast leg of lamb or peanuts, pizza, popcorn, Spam. Not even huckleberry jam.
Pizza.
Without teeth, we can't play trombone, says a jellyfish named Jimbo Jones. I have no teeth, said Hazel Hen, but women do, and so do men. So, I have happy news for you. You will grow 2 sets, set 1 and set 2. You will lose set number 1, and when you do, it's not much fun. But then you'll grow set number 2, 32 teeth, and all brand new. 16 downstairs and 16 more upstairs on the upper floor. And when you get your second set, that's all the teeth you'll ever get. So, don't chew down trees like beavers do. If you try, you'll lose set number 2. And don't be dumb like Mr. Glotz. Don't break your teeth untying knots. And don't be dumb like Kathy Klopp. Don't try to chew off bottle top. Don't gobble junk like Billy Billings. They say his teeth have 50 fillings. They sure are handy when you smile, so keep your teeth around a while. And never bite your dentist when he works inside your head. Your dentist is your teeth best friend. Bite carrot sticks instead.
You work your teeth, Mama?
The end. Big Bird is yellow, a Sesame Street book of colors.
Yeah, Mama, can I say the colors? Yellow.
Great. Big Bird is making something yellow.
Juice.
Yeah, some lemonade.
Lemonade.
Yeah.
Juice. Red.
Good job. Elmo is pulling something red.
A wagon.
Yes, what's inside the wagon?
Some shoes, some apples, a teddy bear, some strawberries, some glasses, and some pencils, and a fire truck.
Great. Good job.
Yes.
What color?
Orange.
Beautiful. Ernie has lost something orange.
It is a
What is that in the picture?
pumpkin.
What are these?
Leaves.
Great. What color's on this page?
Blue.
Great. Grover has found something blue.
Eggs. Bird eggs.
Yes. Correct. What color?
Pink.
Yes. Prairie Dawn is painting something pink.
It is a
Flamingo.
flamingo. It's flamingo, not flamingo.
Yeah, flamingo.
And you said flamingo.
What color?
Purple.
A hunker is hanging up something purple.
His gloves, his shorts, and his shoes, and his socks, and his shirt.
Perfect. What color?
Green.
Awesome. Oscar is eating something green.
Carrots and ice cream.
That look like pickles and ice cream. Yep, pickles and ice cream. And Oscar is green, and that is the end.